Welcome back to Carscope, and today I want to talk about one of the most important parts of your pressure washing arsenal, the pressure washing nozzles. So there's a few different types, and I'm sure what most of you are used to seeing is something like these very small plastic ones. Normally they come for free with sort of budget gun that you can get off Amazon or Temu or whatever. Now these are probably one of the worst things you can use. The reason being is there's a hole in here, and that hole allows a certain amount of water to come through. Now, when you're buying one of the cheaper guns, normally this hole could be different across all the nozzles that you buy. So you can end up hurting your pressure washing machine, because if that hole is too small, then you're going to limit the amount of pressure and it can cavitate the pump on your machine. So if you've got one of these nozzles, I really recommend you look at buying some of these sort of slightly larger ones. Now, there's a couple of advantages for these larger versions of the nozzles. Obviously, they're a little bit bigger, so they're kind of harder to lose. These orifice size is tuned to your machine. So if you get them from us, you can get an 03 or an 04. So if you've got a pressure washer that runs at 7 litres a minute or more, then you could probably want to go for an 04. If it's less than 7 litres a minute, then you want to go for an 03 orifice. Now we sell these in either 25-degree spray angle or 40-degree spray angle. Now I like the 40 for sort of rinsing down the car, that type of thing, and the 25 is brilliant for doing wheels and engine bays. Now our new versions, which are the V2 versions of the original spray nozzle that we sold, are slightly shorter, and they also, rather than having the plug basically screwing into the nozzle holder, this could obviously be a failure point if it's not screwed in correctly or not the right amount of thread seal that's been used. So our new versions are now completely one piece. We've also gone up to a 316 stainless steel, so they're really, really hardy. And the nozzle itself has still got a nice soft outer rubber, but the composite's really strong, so you can kind of throw these around a little bit and beat them up and they'll still hang in there. The 1/4 inch fitting, it works for any 1/4 inch quick release gun like our Cobra gun here. I mean, I've been using this for a couple of years now and it's still in great shape, and it just pops in like that and then pops out the end like that. So that's our new V2 nozzles. If you want to grab yourself a set, they're a little bit cheap if you buy them as a pair, or you can buy them singularly if you want to, but whatever happens, don't be using these anymore. Move over to something a little bit hardier and much better.